Alright guys, we're here. Getaway Cabins, number 11, Honey Bee. And this is in Hocking Hills, Ohio. And we've been here for a few hours already, just getting settled in. So we're going to give you a quick little tour. But this is, like I said, number 11, Honey Bee. Every cabin has a themed name. So ours is Honey Bee. And my wife actually, she calls the dog Honey Bee all the time. So that's why we picked it. Now, well, just going to kind of show you everything here. Quick little video if you're thinking about taking a COVID-19 / coronavirus vacation, why camping could be cool if you've never done it before. Get yourself a cabin, you get away from people, and it's a lot of scenic stuff that we're going to show you throughout these next couple vlogs. But we're outside in the front here. First thing, you get a fire pit. It's just typical. Got some brick around there with like a steel ring in the middle. This is the outside of the cabin. And it's not real big. There's bigger ones that you can get from this company, but overall it's pretty cool. This is like a side porch right there. It has a hot tub in it. Most of the cabins here have hot tubs, but we'll get up close. You can see it's got like nice new windows. It's pretty cool. And it's actually on foundation, so pretty neat. I mean, this part isn't the add-on porch part, I guess, but the original structure has foundation. And a couple steps up to the front porch. Excuse the tripod. Got two metal seats. They're metal, so they're not comfortable. But you can sit out here in the morning and drink coffee and listen to the birds, or you can get up at 6 a.m. and cook eggs and bacon and sit out here and have breakfast. Little decorations here. Welcome home, bees. Oh, there's a grill instructions. No smoking in the cabins. And with the Honey Bee theme, be happy. Comes with a grill. Typical standard grill. Got propane. I already turned it on. It has propane in it. But there's a brand new one there in case you run out, which we're only here for like 4 nights. Hey! Mrs. Mooch in there doing the dishes. We just got done eating dinner. And then some utensils. This basket for the grilling vegetables and stuff in here, that's actually ours, so that doesn't come with it. But these utensils, you get the tongs, spatula, and the fork. Those come with the camp. And this lighter was here already, so that's part of it. That's the driveway. You can tell if I'll zoom in here, you can see DirecTV dish, so you do get satellite dish here. Cell phone reception, almost non-existent. Don't plan on having lots of reception. Now, when you get here, there's a check-in process. You got a key box here, you put the code in, and the keys are there, and then you can unlock your door there. So let's go on inside the cabin and show you what we're dealing with. Hi, dog. That's Henry. Say hi, Henry. I'm doing a cabin review. Mrs. Mooch cleaning up. Thanks for not making me help you so I can film. Thank you. So as soon as you come in the entryway here, you get a little pad. Right to the left is the bathroom, so we'll show you that real quick. When you walk in, you get one switch. Oh, guess what? Honeybees. A couple outlet receptacles, a mirror, a cabinet mirror. I got my toiletries lined up there. Nice wood sink, not a lot of space. Sink, hot, cold water, poop machine, garbage machine, plunger machine, and then that is the shower. So that's just standard stuff. It's pretty nice size, you know. Here's the kitchen area. We got the sink. All the dishes come with. 2-bay stainless steel sink, hot, cold, shower head. We brought our own soap, I believe. Right now during COVID. Oh, there was some here. Oh, I gotcha. Due to COVID-19, no salt and sugar, creamer. So bring your own. This is ours. We brought that from home. Mrs. Mooch wanted to. But all the utensils, knives, all the cookware, plates, and all that comes with the cabin. You'll read it online if you decide you want to book it. But it's pretty nice. All our food, oven. Oven's pretty tiny, but it's 4 burners, and that's a big one, and then you get 3 little ones. So, and then you get the little oven there. Fridge, freezer, same thing. It's not real big. And the freezer here, you can fit 2 bags of ice, some ice packs, whatever. We don't have any frozen food, but the fridge looking good. We got all the goodies in there. We got the meat, we got the steak, the chicken, we got some grilling vegetables, some corn, hot dogs, burgers, typical stuff, condiments, breakfast, a whole lot of carbs, a whole lot of protein bars. The windows, they're like new, you know, they're not that old. I don't know how old the cabin is, but, and then the walls here, you can get, you know, a nice pan shot of the whole cabin here from the corner. The bed is huge. I think this is a California king. It's not a regular king, because we have a regular king at home, and this is definitely wider. So this is a California king bed. Yeah. Like, I'm laying here. Yeah, I got some space to my side. And then, Mrs. Mooch, come jump in the bed. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come jump in the bed. Hurry, hurry, hurry. And then give yourself a little bit of space. And then look how much is between us. Stick my hand all the way out.
That's 10 ways more.
Yeah, but this is wider than our bed at home, is it not? Yeah, it might just be a regular king, but I'm pretty sure it's a California king. You get a couch here, pet friendly. Obviously, you have to pay a fee for the pet. That's like 40 bucks for the pet. You have to bring linens to cover the furniture, or else you can get extra charges or whatever. It's got a little end table. It's got the TV there, which it's like 32-inch. You got a little LG DVD player. Is that Blu-ray? It's a DVD player, not a Blu-ray. And then the DirecTV box. And an in-wall unit for AC. Look, Honey Bee. Bee's nest right inside the cabin. Got the trusses up top and the fan. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Then out here is the patio. You saw this from the outside. I already lifted the lid so you can see it. This is the hot tub. Got 2 little steps there. And boom. Oh yeah, we'll be in that sucker tonight. And here's the corner of the outside porch. We'll just pan around. Let you see the woods here. And there's my truck. So you can tell how much space we got behind here. It's just kind of like a trench. Not much fun in the back, so you wouldn't say this has a backyard. But you can do some things in the front. There's one neighbor straight across the street that way, and then down the road this way there's 2 more, and that's this little section. There's 4. Henry! Henry! Hope you enjoyed this little tour of our vacation spot, coronavirus vacation spot. If you're a smoker, you can sit out here and smoke. Little table and 2 chairs. It's not the nicest. These are plastic chairs. This is probably a wood table. Feels woodish. And that's about it. So that's the tour of the camp, of the cabin. Hope you enjoyed it. Me and Mrs. Mooch are gonna make a few drinks, get in that hot tub, relax for the rest of the night, play with our dog. Perfect thing to do if you have never gone camping before, or if you don't have any friends that have a camp or anything, and you're afraid to go to the busiest cities, going to the beach towns and partying because you're afraid of coronavirus. Camping like this is an excellent way to enjoy yourself and have a good time and not have to worry about being around a lot of people, and just enjoy some nature and hang out and do whatever you want to do. You could run around this place naked. Maybe she will later.
Maybe I won't.
I'll probably sleep on the couch. That's my bed. That's her bed. Her and the dog.
Me and Henry.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this place, and stay tuned. I got a lot of cinematic things I'm going to be doing with the different areas that we explore. Some pretty cool things, some gorges and caves and waterfalls. So we'll check them out, and you'll see it on a future upload. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's Mooch Life. I'm Mooch. That's Tootie, or Mrs. Mooch. And you've seen Henry the dog. That's our dog, Henry the dog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want to. If you don't, I don't care. Peace out.